Writing can feel overwhelming for students, especially when they don't know where to start. The POW strategy gives them a simple, repeatable process for planning and organizing their writing. It's part of the SRSD model and works across genres. POW stands for Pick My Idea, Organize My Notes, Write and Say More. Let's walk through each step with teacher tips to support classroom use. The first step is Pick My Idea. Students choose a topic or decide what they want to say. This helps them take ownership of their writing and begin with purpose. Example: for opinion writing, I want to write about why school recess is important. For narrative writing, I'll write about the time I went to the beach. Teacher tip: use brainstorming activities, writing prompts, or choice boards to help students generate ideas. Encourage them to pick topics they care about. It leads to more authentic writing. Next is Organize My Notes. Students plan what they'll say and in what order. This step helps them structure their writing before they begin drafting. Example: for opinion writing, they might use the tree strategy. Topic sentence, reasons, examples, ending. Teacher tip: use graphic organizers tailored to the writing genre. Model how to plan with think-alouds and shared writing. Encourage students to sketch out their ideas before writing full sentences. Finally, write and say more. Students begin drafting and expand their ideas with details, examples, and explanations. This is where their writing comes to life. Example: instead of recess is fun, they might write, recess helps me relax and play with friends, which makes me feel ready to learn again. Teacher tip: teach students to ask themselves questions like, can I add a detail? Can I explain this more? Use revision checklists and peer feedback to help students build out their ideas. POW is a flexible foundational strategy that helps students approach writing with confidence and structure. It's easy to remember and works across genres: opinion, narrative, informative, and beyond. Remember, model each step with examples. Pair POW with genre-specific strategies like tree, tide, or sea space. Use graphic organizers and sentence starters. Celebrate planning as part of the writing process. With POW, students don't just write, they learn to think, plan, and communicate with purpose. Ready to bring POW into your writing instruction?